Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OPTT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friday was a pretty crazy day from just looking at Friday individually. As far as trading terminology would be concerned, that's what we would call a gap and trap. What is a gap and trap if you're maybe new? Well, on Thursday, the price closed right there. And then on Friday, the price literally opened up all the way up there, hence the gap up. But you can see the problem is after it opened up from that point, it was pretty much all bears the remainder of the day. So like I said, just summarizing Friday individually, a total gap and trap. Now taking a step back and looking at more than just 1 day, sure it was a gap and trap on Friday, but big picture wise, the price does still have the opportunity to start to chip away and build higher bases. And that is why the level going forward, that's very important, is $1.75. Reason being, if the price comes down to $1.75, behaves like that, and then works its way back upwards, what would you have from a bigger picture point of view? Emphasis on bigger picture, because again, I get it. Looking at just Friday individually, and especially if you bought right there, then yeah, you don't care about these stair steps. But if you do take a step back, then yeah, envision that as a stair step right there, that set of lows. Then you had lows right there, another stair step. And then you had those lows down there, another stair step. And if you look at it from the big picture, well, hey, you still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's what you want to see, assuming again that you care about more of a grander scheme point of view. So yes, Friday gap and trap. But there is still that opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So in my opinion, going into next week, $1.75, very important for that reason. As far as areas of resistance are concerned in the very near term, keep an eye on that $1.97 mark. And then after $1.97, next key level after that, up there at $2.10. So $1.97, $2.10, two of those near-term levels. Then after that, yeah, things start to space out again. But as of right now, at least in my opinion, top priority is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. It's more so, just about establishing some sort of higher base, because the last thing you would want to see for the price is to go back down to that area. Because at that point, you would literally have the price right back to where it was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of any true power or true strength. So keep an eye on that, though. As of right now, sure, Friday was a gap and trap, but the overall chart does still have the chance to build a higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.